Story Tree Books.
Hello everybody, thanks for joining Sebastian and I here at Story Tree Books. We have another Bluey story for you today. We have lots and lots and lots of Bluey stories. Today's Bluey story is called The Doctor, and Bluey and Bingo are playing doctors with their friends. I wonder if you've ever been to the doctor. Okay, let's go. The Doctor. Bluey, the receptionist, is working at the doctor's office. Ring, 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 ring. This is the doctor's office. Hello, it's Edna speaking. How are you? Honey arrives at reception. Hello, I need to see the doctor now. But Edna is still on the phone. Yes, okay, sure. Okay, well, we'll see you in 15 months. Bye-bye. There's Honey waiting to see the doctor. Sorry about that. How can I help you? Says Edna. I need to see the doctor, says Honey. Oh yes, says Edna. I'm sure we can squeeze you in tightly. Now, what's wrong with you today? Nothing, says Honey. I'm fine. Honey, you have to make up something wrong with you, Bluey whispers. Well, what do you think should be wrong with me? Asks Honey. Well, it's up to you, says Edna. What if I bumped my knee? She asks. Okay, here's a clipboard, Edna says. Please take a seat. The doctor won't be long. Honey walks over to a seat in the waiting room. Honey, calls Edna, you have to wobble when you walk. Oh yes, she says. There she is hobbling over to a seat. Next patient, please, calls Bingo. Bingo's pretending to be the doctor. Oh, that's me, says Honey. What seems to be the matter? The doctor asks. Well, she's bumped her knee, doctor, says Edna. Oh, you sure that's it? Bingo was hoping it was something more exciting. Yeah, that's it, replies Honey. Okay, well, we'll have that fixed in a jiffy. But Lucky runs in with an emergency. I need to see the doctor. There's a crocodile on my head. Ah! Oh my, this is a real pickle, says the doctor. Don't worry, we'll have that fixed in a jiffy. Edna, hold all my appointments. Oh, I'm sorry, dear, Edna says to Honey. Please take a seat. I'm sure The doctor won't be long. Then they hear the doctor say, "This is going to take ages." Honey waits patiently while the doctor deals with the crocodile. "Would you like a cup of tea while you wait?" says Edna. "Oh, yes, thanks," says Honey. Bluey tries to help Honey think of a bigger pickle. "Are you sure you haven't been attacked by a giraffe or something?" she asks. "'Cause that would be a real pickle." No, says Honey. Out comes Lucky. "Oh, better. Just keep those bandages on for 11 years, says Dr. Bingo. 11 years. That's a long time. "Okay, who's next?" asks the doctor. "Well, that's me," says Honey. "Oh yes, sore knee. Right this way." Now Snickers runs in with an emergency. "I cuddled a cactus," he yells. And then a crocodile fell out of the sky and bit me on the bottom. "My stars," says Edna. "This is a real pickle." "Don't worry, we'll have you fixed in a jiffy," says the doctor. Edna, doctor calls to Edna. "Hold all my appointments." "Ow, ow, 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 ow," yells Snickers. "Ow, ow." Oh, but what about my knee?" asks Honey sadly. Poor Honey still has a sore knee, doesn't she? She sits down and waits patiently again. Edna brings her another cup of tea. "I'm sorry about the wait." "Am I definitely the next patient?" Honey asks. "You are definitely the next patient," says Edna. Now, Indy and Coco arrive with an emergency. "We need to see the doctor," screams Indy. "Oh my," says Edna. "I was hanging out the washing," says Indy, "and my arms fell off. And I got bitten by 7 scorpions," adds Coco. "That is an emergency." "Oh, this looks like a real pickle," says Honey. "It is," says Coco. "I'm never going to see the doctor," she says. Don't worry, honey. I promise you'll be the next patient, says Edna. Really? Says Honey. Yes, definitely, says Edna. Just then, someone else rushes in. I need a doctor, Rusty screams. What's wrong, Rusty? asks Edna. I accidentally ate a hippopotamus, and now when I burp out baby hippopotamuses. Burp, burp, burp. Hippos everywhere. Quick, Indy, grab it. But I've got no arms, says Indy. Oh my goodness, says the doctor. This is a real pickle. Rusty, you best come in here right away. Burp, burp, burp. Oh, look at all the hippos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. Edna, calls the doctor. Hold all of my appointments. Oh, poor Rusty. And poor Honey. I knew it, says Honey. Everyone's problem is a real pickle, except mine. Don't be sad, says Bluey. Oh, there's another one. Burp, 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 burp. They're everywhere. All of those hippopotamuses are being burped out of Rusty. Oh, and there's Honey. And there's Edna next to her. Honey does look a bit sad, doesn't she? Honey isn't the best at thinking up pickles. She starts swaying her legs. Bluey sways along too. Hee hee, hee hee, hee hee, they say. You always make me laugh, says Bluey. Yeah, I always make you laugh, replies Honey. Do it again, says Bluey. Do something funny. Honey has an idea. Okay, watch this, she says. Now, for most dogs, she says, their tail wags and the body stays still. But not me. When Honey wags her tail, her whole body moves. Whoa! That's so funny, says Coco. Rusty and Doctor come back to the waiting room. Thanks, Doctor, Rusty says. I won't eat any more hippopotamuses. Then the doctor sees Honey. "Oh my stars," says the doctor. "Your tail and your body are all mixed up." "Her body is wagging," says Indy, "but her tail is staying still," says Coco. It is, isn't it? "This is a real pickle," says the doctor. "A real pickle." "Really?" asks Honey. "A pickle? This is the biggest pickle I've ever seen," says Dr. Bingo. "Come with me right away." Finally, it's Honey's turn to see the doctor. "She's been waiting so long." "Don't worry, we'll have you fixed in a jiffy," says the doctor. "Oh," says Honey. "Don't forget to hobble," calls out Edna. "Hobble." Oh. There she is, going in to see Dr. Bingo. "Oh, Edna," calls Dr. Bingo, "you best hold all of my appointments. This is a real pickle indeed." And look who's waiting in the doctor's reception area. It's Bandit. He's covered in bandages and he has snakes all over him. 1, 2, 3 snakes and a thermometer in his mouth. And he says, "Will the doctor be much longer?" And Edna, the receptionist, says, "Oh, just be patient." He needs to be patient. Honey was very, very patient waiting for the doctor. What a wonderful story. We love Bluey stories. You can see lots and lots of Bluey stories right here at Story Tree Books. We will see you next time. Thanks for joining us today, everybody. Bye.